Do you want to know some time expressions that you can use in Kirundi? Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you can't miss any update from this channel. Today in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you some expressions, time expressions in Kirundi that you can use all the time. Let's start with today. Today, which means in Kirundi, uno munsi. Today, uno munsi. Today, uno munsi. Tomorrow, ejo. Ejo hazoza. Ejo hazoza. Ejo hazoza. Tomorrow, ejo hazoza. Yesterday, to mean ejo hahise. Ejo hahise. Yesterday, ejo hahise. For today, you say uno munsi. For tomorrow, you say ejo hazoza. And for yesterday, you say ejo hahise. Let's say like you want to say this evening. This evening in Kirundi means kuri uno muhingamo. Kuri uno muhingamo. Kuri uno muhingamo. Evening, which means umuhingamo. Let's say tonight. Tonight, which means in Kirundi muriri joro. Muriri joro. Tonight. Let's say like yesterday night. Yesterday night. Mwijoro jejo hahise. Yesterday night. Mwijoro jejo hahise. Yesterday night. Ijoro jejo hahise. Let's say like tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, which means nijoro jejo hazoza. Nijoro jejo hazoza. Okay? When you say like see you in 2 weeks. See you in 2 weeks. In Kirundi you say naho mundwi zibiri. Naho mundwi zibiri. Week in Kirundi is indwi. Indwi. Like when you say 2 weeks, indwi zibiri. 3 weeks, indwi zitatu. For math, as I said in the video area, math is ukwezi. Let's say like see you next month. See you next month to mean naho mukwezi kuza. Naho mukwezi kuza. Like you can say see you next year. See you next year to mean naho mumwaka uza. Naho mumwaka uza. See you in 2 years. See you in 2 years. Naho mumyaka ibiri. Like you can say like see you later. See you later. In Kirundi you say tuzosubira. See you later. See you later. See you later. In Kirundi you say tuzosubira. But when you say see you soon, because you expect that you can meet at any time, in this case you say turasubira. Turasubira. Okay? Turasubira. You can say like all night. All night to mean ijoro ryose. All night ijoro ryose. All day to mean umusi wose. Umusi wose. You can say every day. Every day to mean Kirundi. It means yose. It's an action that happens every day to mean iminsi yose. Iminsi yose. Okay? Those are some expressions that you can use in Kirundi when you want to talk about like time, okay, in Kirundi. Those are the time expressions that you can use in Kirundi. So thank you very much for following this video today, and I hope that this video helped you so much And if you feel like you are interested in learning, make sure that you follow this and comment so that I can know which content you want me to share in this channel in the next video. So, murakoze cyane. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. See you in the next video.